How to reactivate Uber Eats account after deactivated. So before attempting to reactivate your account, it's crucial to know why it was deactivated. The common reasons include high cancellation rates. So the frequently cancellation orders can lead to a deactivation. And the second thing is that expired documents, right? And here what happens if your driver license or insurance has expired, you need to update this document. Inactivity account may be deactivated after a period of inactivity, typically 30 days. Now, if you want to reactivate, first of all, go and check your email, right? So this is really important, guys. So first of all, you have to just go and check your email. And once you do that, log in into your account. And if you have not updated your documents, update it, right? And even though if all these steps solution doesn't work out, then you have to go and talk to the customer support. Only they can help you because this could be a new problem, and only the customer support can help you from internal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.